Hey, it's Nick at Table 19 Media. Shooting real estate video with just your iPhone? Is it possible? Is the quality any good? Will people be able to tell I shot it with my iPhone? We're gonna cover all of this in the video right now. Let's go. So, phones these days have crazy good cameras in them, and so with that, you're able to shoot really good video with just your phone. So the question is, can I use the phone to shoot really good video of properties, real estate videos? Before I tell you the answer, let me tell you that I've been shooting real estate videos for almost a decade now, and I've probably shot hundreds of millions of dollars worth of real estate in videos and photos. The short answer to shooting real estate videos on your phone is yes. Yes, you can shoot a real estate video on your phone. But there are a few caveats, so let's break that down. First, let's talk about why you would want to shoot a real estate video on your iPhone or just on your smartphone. It could be that you are a real estate agent yourself and you're just getting started and you really want to have a video for your listing, but you don't have the money or you just don't want to pay someone to come shoot it with you that would have maybe a DSLR camera to shoot with or another kind of camera to shoot with. I completely understand it. That would be one example of someone that, hey, you know what? I want to shoot the video on my own and take the time. Instead of paying somebody else, take the time to learn and shoot it and edit it myself and put it out myself. That is completely possible for an agent that's just getting started or just an agent that loves shooting video and wants to do it for their business. That's something that is completely doable for the average person to pick up their phone, learn how to use it, and shoot and edit their video. You may also be the type of person that wants to start shooting video tours of real estate as a side hustle, in their spare time, where they can get just a couple people on the weekend to shoot videos for. And you can easily shoot it. Maybe you don't want to make the bigger investment to get a DSLR camera, but you can easily use the smartphone that you probably already have to shoot real estate videos. It's actually a pretty genius side hustle. You also may be a real estate assistant or a property manager and you don't want to spend the money, or maybe you don't have the money to hire a professional videographer to shoot videos of your properties. This would also be a solution to where you can go and take your phone and shoot videos of the property to have on the website or even publish to the MLS or to use on social media. So there's a handful of reasons why someone would want to shoot a real estate video just using their phone. So let's go over a couple reasons why shooting with your phone is completely doable when it comes to real estate videos. One is image quality. Now, cameras these days have really good cameras in them. A lot of the cameras these days shoot 4K resolution and they have a really good sensor in them. So not only are you getting the 4K resolution of the video, but the sensor is able to pick up a nice crisp image in the video, and that lends itself to looking very, very good, whether it's being viewed on a website or on YouTube or Facebook or even on somebody else's phone. So the image quality in smartphones is already very, very good, and the average person won't be able to tell that it was shot on a phone as opposed to a DSLR camera. With smartphones these days also, you can shoot at a cinematic frame rate, which is 24 frames a second, which is when I shoot video on my phone, I prefer to shoot at 24 frames a second because it just has a cinematic motion blur in it that a lot of people are used to seeing and associate with movies and stuff. So being able to shoot at 24 frames a second lends itself to having a nice, smooth, cinematic looking video for your real estate property. The hardest part a couple years ago about shooting a video on your phone, especially for a real estate listing or a property, was getting video that wasn't shaky as you moved around the house, and it wasn't just a video that was side to side, but you could actually like walk through doorways and turn the camera, but it was so shaky because you had to do it with your hands, and it wasn't smooth. Well, that all changed a couple years ago when gimbals for smartphones started coming out, and one being the DJI Osmo Mobile, which Osmo Mobile 2 or Osmo Mobile 3 nowadays really helped to make smooth video really attainable, achievable for the average person. So if they wanted to go out and shoot their property, they could do it in a manner that wasn't shaky, amateurish looking footage, but they could use a inexpensive gimbal to put their phone on and be able to move throughout the house. And now you can create some really stunning videos, moving, throughout the house, throughout the property with your smartphone and a 3-axis gimbal. So the editing part of a video is usually where a lot of people get hung up because they're really not sure how to do it. They've never edited a video, on their desktop, and all the apps seem to be very, very confusing, or they have no idea that, it's possible to edit their video, take all the video clips and edit them into edit them in a video editing app that's on their phone. So that's really been the big hang up for people, is really not knowing, once they have all these clips, what to do with them and how to compile them so that it's a nice, flowing, coherent video that's not too long, not too short, but is very easy to watch. But that's really changed nowadays, where we have mobile apps on your phone that you can easily import the clips that you've recorded into, trim them down, and export them as a single video, or downloading the videos from your phone onto your desktop and then using an app like Premiere or Final Cut Pro to edit them. But there are also even free editing apps for your desktop that you can easily do simple edits, import the clips, and edit the videos together, even add maybe your logo or contact information at the end of it. So nowadays it's easier than ever to really shoot the video, but also edit the video so that you have a full tour of a property that you can upload to social media, even the MLS, to your website. If it's a rental that you're trying to list. So really, you have a lot of options as far as not only shooting the video, but also getting the video edited so that you have a single video for you to use in all of your marketing. I've really had a lot of fun shooting real estate videos on my phone. I have a lot of clients that I'll use my DSLR camera to shoot videos of their properties, but if I have extra time, I like to go around and shoot on my smartphone, just to see, compare and contrast the difference between shooting with my DSLR camera, my Canon 5D Mark II, and then shooting with my phone. Originally, I was shooting with the iPhone 7 Plus. I've recently upgraded to the iPhone 11 Pro Max, but even on the 7 Plus, shooting at 4K 24 frames a second was the quality was really, really good. And I remember shooting after I got done shooting a property, I got done faster than I thought I would, so I went back through the property and shot the entire property again just on my phone. And then when I had a meeting with a brokerage just to talk about the services of Table 19 Media, I showed them that video that I shot completely on my phone, and they were all surprised, like blown away that was shot on a phone. And a lot of people in that room actually at the time had that iPhone 7 Plus, and they were like, I can do that with my phone? It's like, yes, you can. So my experience has been a lot of fun. Now, I use some other accessories to shoot that video, but overall, you don't need a lot of equipment other than your smartphone. I would recommend a gimbal. I'd recommend an Osmo Mobile 2 or 3, so that you have nice, smooth smooth shots, going throughout the property. But you don't need a whole lot to shoot the videos on your phone for your properties. Once you get comfortable shooting on your phone, knowing what settings to use, how to use the gimbal, different movements, different shots to get, you're totally capable of putting together a really nice looking video that I think you'll be proud to share on social media, even upload to the MLS on your own YouTube channel. It's definitely something that is possible. Definitely something that is possible, shooting real estate videos on your phone, your iPhone, even your Android phone. There are lots of different apps that I would recommend. I'm gonna put that all in a different video later on. But I want to take this time also to talk about the course that I actually put together specifically for real estate agents and property managers, because I had a lot of agents asking me about doing that, shooting that with your phone after I had showed them that video. So I put together a course, Real Estate Video Pro for Real Estate. And in that course, I go over absolutely everything from start to finish. Not only the settings to use in the app, to record the video with, different accessories to use that can make it a lot easier to do, to shoot the video with, but also different camera movements, different angles, how you want to frame shots as you're moving through a property, how long do the clips need to be when you edit them, everything that I've learned over the past couple of years just shooting with my phone, for fun, and being able to put together like really good looking videos, just with the clips that I've shot on my phone. I put all that into a course that I think is super helpful for anybody that wants to start a side hustle, shooting real estate videos and all they have is their phone. It's possible. Or if you're a brand new agent or just an agent that wants to, take advantage of, having the smartphone, in your pocket and shoot videos that way. Or a property manager or, a marketing assistant or something that, for a brokerage that, wants to go out and shoot videos of the properties themselves. It's totally possible, and I put this course specifically together for you guys, to take you from start to finish on how to do that. So the goal is that you watch the course maybe in the morning, and then that afternoon you can go out and start shooting that video and even editing that video all together on your phone. So I'll put a link to that course just to check it out in the bottom in the description. But I think it's going to be a super helpful course. So to answer the question, is it possible to shoot a real estate video on your iPhone? Yes, absolutely it is. And once you learn just the simple techniques and the different settings and stuff to change to capture the best quality images, you're going to find out that I think it's a lot of fun and it's easy to do, and I think it'll definitely change the game for your business and for your brand. I hope this video has been helpful. I'm Nick at Table 19 Media. If you have any questions about this or something that maybe I didn't mention in the video, go ahead and leave a comment below. I will see you in the next video.